Oh wait. Oh, it's my sunshine. This is me again, Husky. So everyone, please answer my. I can answer your questions as many of them as possible. Hi. So I would. So in this question, I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old. I live in Barangay Balubal, Sariaya, Quezon. So my hobbies are singing and singing something sad and crazy. In the question number two that I said, I am Filipino American pop newcomer and singer, and a singer in Philippines in Sariaya. Anyways, so in the question of number three, my favorite DJ is Alan Walker and Testo, and many of them like Don Diablo, Cyril, Mike Williams, and Sandra. So, in that question number four, my favorite vocals from the song, from the verse one song, the cinema, I mean, hmm, my favorite song is that song by Fauzia and Alan Walker. So, I would like to sing with my vocals in verse one is Cinema. Okay, so let me sing it if you want. And with my vocals from the from the chorus. The way that you love, the way that you touch, I wanna watch you, baby, on my cinema. That's my favorite vocals from the Greek American pop newcomer Barbs. Actually, she's 21 years old too. Anyways, my new idols are Cheat Codes and You're Not Us. Actually, so Black Ripon is I'm a huge fan of Meek. I am a huge Meek fan, of course, because her voice was powerhouse and very cool at London. At London, at the time, I would love to go in London. Anyway, so this is my first recollection of Q&A questions for part 2. And this is me, Husky, again. Anyway, for my question. And the first question is a singer question. Number one, what is your favorite? So in the number one, they ask what is my favorite song. So my favorite song is Cinema by Cheat Codes, You Not Us, and Bars. So number two, who's your favorite newcomer artist? So my favorite newcomer artist is Meek and Barbs actually. So Meek is my favorite newcomer and my my favorite newcomer too is Barbs actually. Meek is from Britain and Barbs is from Greek. So Barbs can speak American because she is a Greek American newcomer sometimes. She sings and cinema actually. So in that time I had something to do in my YouTube channel or in another accounts. So that's all for. So this is my account eventually. For my another account, of course, for that singing, I would like to sing with Meek and Joe Jonas actually and Julia Michaels. So Julia Michaels is my favorite idol to sing with her because her voice is so uh, her voice is so cool at all when I sing it all alone. So here's my favorite soundtrack, Halloween Lobby from Dresden Presto. Anyway, so my name is Haradal Perez or Husky. I am 15 years old. I live in Balobos, Sariaya, Quezon. My hobbies are singing and my profession is singer and a Philippine American pop newcomer. So they called me as a singer songwriter and song coverist. Anyway, so I would like to know why I am a newcomer because it's easy for me. It's easy for me. Then my featuring singers are very excited to meet me at the at the events since they had a project on it to finish. So they had a meeting and they had something like happy and something fun, something like having fun. Having fun is very easy to know why I'm very excited to sing something sad, something crazy, you know. So my favorite song to sing is Cinema by Barb's, You Not Us and Chicos. Actually, so can I? So I would like to sing in the first one, and I'm very excited to meet you all in our world, in our country, in Sariaya. Actually, I am very excited to meet you all in Batanes, Bataan, and Bulacan, and of course Manila, Batangas, Batangas, La Union, Laguna, and Quezon City, of course. And in Sariaya, Quezon, we had Castañas, Gisgis, Candelaria, and Agdangan, Kota, Sariaya, Dolores, Candelaria, Lutocan, and one more time, Lucena, Tayapas, Laritel, Buena Vista, General Nacar, and Sampalo, Quezon. We had San Antonio, San Narciso, San Francisco, Quezon, and we have Macalelon. We have Macalelon and we have Macalelon and Mulan Ay, of course, and Winisan, and Rihanna. Okay, so this is me. This is and we have Lukban. Last but not the least is Lukban. It's Lukban and Opan Bolo. So that's all for today. It's me, Husky, again. I am 50 years old. I hope you all watching my song covers for upcoming February. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. I love you all.